You know when someone's talking complete nonsense and you're just like, what are you even saying? Well, that's called Codswallop. Codswallop means complete nonsense or foolishness. When you're scrolling through social media and see that ridiculous post you know is absolute trash. Yep, that's pure Codswallop. Next time you hear someone talking rubbish, just say, that's Codswallop. Because why use ordinary words when you can sound way more sophisticated? Codswallop, making nonsense words sound classy since the 1800s. See you next time!